Hello, my future of now viewers. Today I'm gonna be just talking about my experience transitioning from working for somebody and now working from home. First thing first, this is not a scam, okay? This is my truth. Previously, my first video of me transitioning into the content creation, I did say that I am new. Well, not quite new, but I was new in content creation in terms of like taking it into the next level. There's so much things I did not know of, a whole lot that I still do not know of, but over time, I have compiled a whole lot of stuff here. I took about a month and maybe 2 weeks off because I did not want to just come here and talk something that you're not going to understand. Secondly, do not quit your job. First, if you do not have a sustainable income yet from your content creation, that is something. You see, I pinch my ear. I have pinched my ear. Um, because I thought I had enough income to sustain me for a few months. Things have holes. Life has holes. And there have been holes from nowhere that were just eating the money that I had put aside. So, my urge to you, when you are entering into a content creation platform, do not quit your job first, unless you have somebody who is helping you out or backing you up in a financial need or the things that you may require in sustaining your now called business. It's not even in quotes, it's a business because it's a business. And every business requires discipline. Every business requires you to be consistent. Every discipline, every business requires you to not give up. Every business requires you to compromise, deny yourself a lot of comfort, because the aim is to have a financial breakthrough. The aim is, like, if you're a single mom like I am, is to have enough time with your children to see them going to school, drop them off to school, or pick them up from school, taking them to their extracurricular activities without always rushing, always on a race to catch up with one, two, three things about your children. So these are things, even if some of them I knew in the back of my head, there has been a lot of work. Yes, I am in the journey of having to earn that six figure that you see people talking about online. And let me tell you, I know it's achievable. I know I am close to it. I will not say that I'm quite there, but I have seen tremendous results. Something that I did not know of, like, what am I going to do? What am I going to say? Even with the little experience or the experience that I had in digital marketing or data analytics, all those combined, and other other experiences in content creation or other, just in the digital world that I knew, combining that into one platform, I felt like I'm gonna quit, like I was not gonna do it. But I kept telling myself, you need this. You know why you want this. So you have to work hard. You have to get up of your comfort zone. Don't mind who say what. Be you, work for you, do the things that makes a difference tomorrow. Somebody might hate what you are doing right now. They will say, or maybe downplay you or undermine whatever the dream that you have right now because they do not see the taste or they have not tasted a goodness of something that comes into life, a result that comes into life. Do not feel tired of doing what you want to do, your passion, follow it diligently, and also always have a community that is giving you advice, that is giving you counsel. For me, I have not had that community. My community has been like watching a whole lot of YouTube videos talking about content creation, digital content creation, going through, subscribing to Udemy, Coursera, just digging deeper into this content creation. I am not an expert yet, but where I started is not where I am today. My yesterday, when I posted that first video, the link is right here. When I said that I am starting the content creation journey and we're going to walk together with you, that video, this right here, is not the same as I am today. I have learned a whole lot and I still have room to learn a whole lot. One thing that I have discovered is that I can juggle all these social media things that people have. I mean, like 20 platforms. My goodness, thank you for AI, which I am slowly adapting to it. I'm not going to speak so much about it, but I am just here to say it is doable to do content creation, digital content in that matter. And as I am compiling things, I'm on a final wrap. Hopefully, by the end of this month, I will have something that you guys can look back, purchase, and if not purchasing, I am ready to teach each and every one of you because I have struggled. I tried to find something that would teach me the right things, where to start, what to do. And, people don't speak plainly or openly into like helping the other person. And some of the people that are there, they charge so much for a person like me who is starting afresh that doesn't know that much, and they charge so much. And I struggled with that part. So I was like, you know what? My money is not coming in. All I have is like it's going out, it's going out, it's going out. I have not received any paycheck yet. I have not had a paycheck for like 3 months or 4 months right now. So I have to also juggle elsewhere in having a paycheck. But I am grateful because the journey that we are headed to is going to be a beautiful journey. And you guys, because I want you to learn with me, I want you to become a better digital content creator than I have. I'm not saying that I am an expert. No, please have that. We are learning. But the things I have learned, I am now ready to share with you. So make sure you're not missing out. Subscribe down below. Give my content a big like because that shows me that you want to learn. And also, let's meet in the comment because I want to know the questions you have so I can also go and dig it deeper or compile it here that I can share with you so that we're all learning, we're all benefiting. I don't want to be stingy because I feel like majority of the content creation, please excuse the lightning. I'm close to the window. I just realized that the lightning just changed and I look like I'm pale, whatever. Excuse me, I have nothing to do with the lightning. I'm just right next to the window and the sunlight is sunning. It's just dancing out there and I have no control when the sun come out dancing. I just let it dance until it slows down. But anywho, do not forget to subscribe so you're not missing out their journey, because the things that I'm now taking out or delivering to you, they are going to help you a big deal. Disclaimer: do not, do not, do not leave your job, okay? Until you have saved enough, or unless you have somebody backing you up financially. Please understand that. That is the first thing. Continue working until you are having an income coming in and is generating really well, in a way that when you leave your job that you're working, you will be comfortable, because YouTube pays you once a month. As far as I understand, I do not know. I am yet to get paid. I don't have any paycheck yet from YouTube. And this is kind of like quite a few months. I mean, I started this channel a long time ago on a different criteria. And I figured that that's not where I belong. So when I change it to now what really fits me, we're yet to receive a paycheck, but that's not what we're here. I am here to tell you about my story, my success story of working from home. And I have shared with you, we have a lot to go through. And I want you to walk this journey with me, because you are also going to benefit a whole lot. Stay tuned. Until then, take care, keep learning, and do not forget to subscribe.